Previously on Museum of Nature. Museum of Nature Part 2.
This is the iconic Canadian moose. It is a giant animal. If you ever get a chance to see one of these in person, you'll see what I mean. Guys, I hope you like this so far. Leave a comment below if you think this is cool. And if you've ever been in this museum. And also take a moment to subscribe so I can show you guys more. Look at that. These are called pronghorns, and they roam through the prairies looking for food. They look like a mix of goat and sheep, which is pretty cool. These are thin-horn sheeps, and they climb mountains, and you can find them in the Canadian Rockies. They have pretty cool horns that are circular. There's these giant birds. So you can see all of the different bird species in Canada. They're all encased in this glass. You can see owls. You can see eagles. This is a big raptor right here. And then you have one of the most hated birds in the world, which are seagulls. They always love to poop on people. And you have their entire family here, including some pigeons or something close to that. These are called sagebrush flats, and they're from the province of Saskatchewan. They're very beautiful birds, and they puff up, and it looks like they're carrying eggs, but it's just their skin stretching. Looks pretty cool. They're all over the prairies. You can see a modern wolf, which we find in the wilderness. They have a lot of furs, and they roam in packs to go hunting. Look at this. And the skeleton version of that looks like this. It's a lot skinnier. I hope you guys are enjoying that. Don't forget to leave a comment, a like, and subscribe for upcoming content. Here's the Gallery of the Earth, showcasing different minerals across our planet. This looks pretty cool. The majority of these minerals belong in Canada. These are native to Canada, so. These are crystals that are found in different parts of the world. We have some from Brazil, South Africa, Chile, Italy. Some are known, while some are a little more rare. It looks pretty cool. I hope you guys are enjoying this so far. I've shown you guys a lot of things in this museum. Take a moment to write a comment on something you might have liked, or if you'd like to see more, and I'll show you guys more videos of different museums and exhibitions. And I have a lot more to show you guys, and I hope you guys are enjoying this. So stay tuned for more. We're getting to the Arctic part of Canada, where we can see a diverse ecosystem. And all of the ice cubes. We have a lot of Aboriginal communities in the Arctic. And this is a presentation of their livelihood. You can see some of the traditional tools they use to hunt for fish and other mammals. There's a dagger, some plates, cooking pots, fishing lure. They also have like a harness, snow goggles, and things like that. And these were what the first Inuits were using to go hunt. This is a traditional outfit worn by the Inuits, and I think they wear this during spiritual practices or traditional dances and things like that. I don't know much about it, but it looks pretty cool. You can see the hand embroidery with some patches on them. This long stick is a whale's horn, and it belongs to beluga whales. At a certain point, there was a lot of hunters killing whales to get a piece of this because it has a high value in the market, but the Canadian government made it illegal to hunt because it was threatening their existence. Looks pretty cool. And this is a traditional Inuit fur coat, which I wish I had because that looks super warm. And Canadian winters are real. They don't play around. And you have some more here that looks like a chinchilla. And let's give it a touch. It feels real nice and soft. This is fox fur, and this is seal fur. Feeling real smooth. This is caribou right here. So caribou, fox, and seal, which are all protected animals, and people love this fur, but it obviously hurts the environment. And here we have my big homie, the polar bear, which is humongous. If you ever come across one of these, just get on your knees and pray, because you're gone. You can't outrun it, you can't fight it, unless you got a shotgun. You might not have a chance to survive. They look nice and friendly, but they're not. This is the skeleton of a camel, and you can tell by the hump and the back and the long legs and its big joints. These animals are very tall, and I've actually been on one in Dubai in the desert, and they can get a bit aggressive. Guys, I'm getting to the last exhibit right now, and it's a special exhibit that's here for a short period of time, and I'm looking forward to showing you guys this. I'm here at the last exhibit, and I'm going to show you all the live animals. Here you have a rainbow boa, which is originally from South America. And you can see it moving through the grass. Wow. And here we have a python, which is very scary. Look at this. With his eyes wide open. Here we have an iguana who's feeding right now. He's having a Caesar salad and chilling in his environment. Look at that. And iguanas usually grow from 1 to 2 meters, and they come from Central America, and they're mainly herbivore, so they only eat veggies. As you can see, he's enjoying his salad. Guys, I hope you've enjoyed that. That's it for the tour. You've seen the Canadian Museum of Nature. I've shown you guys a lot of mammals, insects, crystals, and earth material. Take a moment to press the like, comment, and subscribe for the upcoming videos, and I hope you guys have enjoyed that as much as I did. See you next time. Peace.